Hello everyone, just thought I'd give you a quick update on the car. It's still in the body shop being painted. Just working our way around the car slowly. So we've now painted this rear quarter panel here, and also the boot lid's been painted. There was a bit of rust bubbling around where the number plate lights were. I've got a new badge to go on as well because the previous one wasn't in the correct place. That side, those two panels have been flat and polished. This side still needs to be flattened and polished. The fuel cap still needs doing. And then just round the front, the panels underneath the lights need painting still, so they'll go on. That wing needs flat and polished as well. And the back bumper, I've got another insert where it was cracked in the middle. So I've got that's going to be painted and put on. And then just contemplating whether to paint the front bumper as well now, because it just seems a bit of a shame that it might let it down since we've done all this now. And it's not quite the same colour, but I don't know, that may change depending if it's polished or not. Also, as the passenger door has a large dent in it that you can see there, I've gone and I went and got one door, which is the one on the floor there, but that wasn't really good enough. So I just ordered this one and got this one, and this one's in a lot better condition. So that should be quite straightforward to repaint in the correct colour and then swap them over. Inside, still got the window regulators to do. So I've got to fit those rear window regulators. And as I mentioned, I've got the new mats to go on, so it'll all be cleaned and everything. And then just for the MOT, I've got an ABS light. So I think I'm just going to order both front wheel speed sensors and hope that fixes it. I think the person I bought it from said it was one of those sensors on the front wheels, and everyone says them to do them in pairs. So I'll probably order those and fit those, and fingers crossed that fixes it, because the MOT is due shortly in October. Also, I did get some pressed metal number plates for it to go on it once it's finished as well, just to smarten it up a bit more. The only other thing then with the paintwork is the roof. There's some imperfections on the roof, as you can see, but the sunroof doesn't work at the moment. So I think once the sunroof's fixed, I may contemplate painting the roof as well, and then I'll probably stop there, and that just leaves the bonnet then as the original paintwork, which has come up really well with the polish, to be honest. It's just got a very slight patina to it. There's an update. Thanks very much. Please subscribe, click subscribe, like, you know what everyone says, and I'll carry on with the updates and possibly more cars in the future. Thanks very much. Bye.